morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Fine, thanks.
Good. Sit down, please. Open your books at page 3. What is the topic of our lesson today? And read, please.
Colors.
Good. Repeat. Colors.
Colors.
Look, it's red.
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 It's yellow.
Yellow.
It's green.
Green.
It's blue.
Blue.
It's white.
White.
It's black.
Black.
It's brown.
Brown.
Good. Now tell me, what color is it, Anton?
It's white.
Good. What color is it, Paulina?
It's green.
Great. What color is it, Mary?
It's blue.
Clever you are. What color is it, Roma?
It's yellow.
Very good. Now close your books. Stand up. Let's play.